Hi guys, I'm Mahi. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. I feel I'm so colorful today. I am not complaining, but I look like I am on a vacation. बट ठीक है, अभी हम बात करें बहुत ही क्यूट समर टॉप्स एंड समर फाइंड्स के बारे में फ्रॉम फ्लिपकार्ट. आई थिंक आई एम डूइंग अ फ्लिपकार्ट हॉल आफ्टर ages, I feel. Without further ado, let's get started. So we have a few summer tops, we have anti-tarnish jewelry and some home finds. So I'm gonna start with tops first. The best part is all these tops are under 499. Like, these were so affordable. Okay, so the first top that I have is this one, this in white. It has like this balloon sleeve pattern. So ये काफ़ी like कॉटन मटेरियल में ही है, थोड़ा सा सी थ्रू है, बट आई थिंक इन समर इट वर्क्स एंड यू कैन जस्ट वेयर. जो इसका जो पैटर्न है दैट इज ऑल्सो लाइक दिस, लाइक यू टाई इट. तो अगर आप नहीं हो comfortable in just a bra, then you can definitely wear like a tank top or a spaghetti inside. But yeah, you can see it in the try on and all the exact prices will pop up on screen. Next top that I have is so cute, you guys. It's like one of my favorite colors this season, butter yellow, and this is how the top looks like. It has this ruffle sleeve pattern which is so cute, and I think this is called poplin detail on the fabric, and the fabric is like georgette, and the top in itself is like very flowy peplum style mein hai ye. You can see the proper try on. I just found it so cute. Like, it has this little cutout detailing also here, which I found super cute. Like, this top screams, Pinterest, and I love it. Next top that I have is in full sleeves, and look at the fabric. It's so beautiful, like so summer appropriate. And इसका भी जो style है ना वो इसी तरह का है, like the tie thing. You can say I'm obsessed with it, but I just find it super airy and easy breezy and just perfect for summers. And this one comes in like full sleeves. So yeah, it's like a simple, shirt. It's instead of buttons, it has like this tie thingy, and you can make cute bows and all, and I feel that you can wear it as a shrug also. But आप proper try and देख सकते हो. And now let's move on. I am not gonna lie, I have one more top जो कि उसी tie pattern में है. Guys, I'm obsessed with it. But let me just open it. So we have two tops here, pink and mustard, yeah, orange. Okay, this is another top that we have in the tie pattern. This one also has like a peplum thing going on here. I love how this top is screaming summer. It's gonna look so cute with your white pants, white shorts, and the length is also pretty cool. You can see the proper try on. I have ordered size medium in it, and this fabric is actually really nice. Like, for the price that you're paying, very impressed. Okay, the next top that we have is again in like a peplum style pattern and comes with balloon sleeves, gingham print, everything summer, everything Pinteresty. This is how the top looks like. I think you can wear it thoda off shoulder karke bhi. We'll see it in the try on. But again, the pattern and just the print is super Pinteresty, super summer friendly. So definitely check this one out. Next few pieces that I have are of jewelry, guys. These are like anti-tarnish pieces, and the design is super classy. This is like the very popular Kluber style necklace, and it's just so pretty. You can see the proper try on. मैंने ना इसी same style में see, this is how it looks in black. And one more necklace that I ordered is actually this one. It has single pendant in it, so I think वो layer करके भी बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है साथ में. But yeah, everything is linked below. I have one more thing to show you. So I ordered this desk lamp. This is LED desk lamp in black, and this is how the lamp looks like. Basically, it's chargeable and you just touch it and it changes color also. Like, you are getting three colors: warm white and warm white. so it's pretty cool. I You can see some aesthetic videos कि मैंने इसको कैसे यूज़ किया। तुम इसको किसी भी अपनी बॉटल में, पुरानी अल्कोहल बॉटल, वाइन बॉटल, जो भी तुम्हारी फेवरेट बॉटल हो उसमें रख सकते हो, किसी जार में रख सकते हो। तो it will just make a very cute lamp, I feel. Yeah, this was it about today's video from Flipkart. I feel this was very quick and fun video. Let me know, what do you think? Should we try something else from Flipkart, ethnic or heels, bags? Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you guys super soon in my next video.